All right, today we're gonna bring a sports bottle replacement lid, and these are awesome little great devices. If you want to just add a straw or keep it as is, you can do that. But my recommendation is add the straw, because you could just, instead of tilting it over, it's gonna suck down all the water from the bottom. Now, in order to make the straw fit, what you have to do, you have to retrofit it, and you have to cut some of it enough where it's gonna go hit the ground, the bottom of the actual bottle to the actual top in the side of the bottle. If you guys can see, there is a little area where you actually put in the actual straw area. Now it does come with this brush, and this is perfect to actually insert into the straw and clean it up whenever you can, because it accumulates or it becomes moldy. So you just make sure you wash that. This is not dishwashable safe, neither is the lid. So if you guys can see, this is not the original one, this is the actual lid that I set up, and look how much I had to cut off. I had to cut off a tip in order to make it fit and to hit all the way to the bottom of the actual bottle. And this is perfect. You don't have to tilt it. You can just open it up from the top, and they come in different various colors, and it comes with this holder too. The original one was just the top. It was just a screw in top. Now this is a screw in, but it has the actual locking mechanism. You don't need to have the straw if you want. It's optional, but it's best to use the straw. So very convenient, easy to use. It comes with everything you see. They give you 2 straws and the actual cleaner, and this is one kit, and then we have another kit there in different colors. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.